Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna check out the Jeep finally. Still making that nasty noise in the rear. So we're gonna pop off the diff cover and see what the hell's wrong with it. I haven't even touched it since we went off-roading with it. So it'll be interesting to see what's under there. All right, so we haven't done any investigating, but I mean, the oil looks a little, Chris was saying a little shiny. Here's where the magnet's at. Doesn't seem like there's any huge chunks. Let's see what we find. All right, so we're gonna lift up the Jeep and then twist it and see if we see anything here. If not, then I guess we'll move on to the axle shafts. So that, okay. All right, so what I'm looking at here, that one looks kind of messed up. So I'm gonna order the springs. I've never messed with the locker, neither has Chris. So we're gonna order the springs. It looks like that spring is broken, maybe. I don't have the pins to take it out right now, so it'll come with the kit. All right, so we got the spring kit here. This is a part number. I got it off of Amazon. It says it'll fit the Dana 44 HD. Here it says Dana 44, but online it said HD. We also got a lube blocker gasket for the Dana 44 HD. So if you need one of those, I have both these pieces linked down below. We are back at Pick Apart and we brought Chris this time. All right, so we found a WJ 4.0. So not what we need. We need the Dana 44. What? It has a ZJC, bro. What the hell? All right, everything's got on it. Ooh, it looked like someone tried to steal that one. Well, this is why it's here. A little rear end. We're gonna use the app because Chris said so we can find there's a Jeep in here I want to show you guys. Sheesh, we got another 4.0. What's up with all these 4.0s here? So this one, leather. I mean, it's all right. What are those CDs down there?
I think they try to spell Marley, but it's Bob Nardi.
All right, now what we're looking for. Let's go find the Jeep that we need. All right, so we found the Jeep we need, and now I need you guys to check this out. So this is in Overland. It looks like caught on fire. Oh, they already took the freaking rock sliders, man. This thing caught on fire. Crazy. Sheesh, the Overland seats. Oh, it still has the radio in there too.
Oh, shit.
Oh, look at that. Yo, it smells like smoke in here. That's crazy. That one's a good one, bro. Better than mine. Better than mine, huh? Look at that plug. It has 3 USBs. Let's go.
Yeah, that's why I caught on fire.
Yeah. Yo, look at the top. Oh my God. So we found a V8.
Where they all belong.
Yeah, we got a Jeep here, Jeep there, Jeep there. We're gonna check them all out. This one looks clean.
They all belong here.
They all belong here? No, they don't. They belong off-road. Let's see the interior on this one. Oof. Broken as usual.
God damn, someone's ass is hungry.
Hey, white gauges. Gross. Dang, check out the spare, man. Super clean. And it has the TPMS, I believe. Got this one too. A Zera carpet. They took this one apart, dude. Nothing special on this one. And then this one here, it's the last one in this row. Another 6. Why is there so many 6-cylinders in here, Chris?
Do they belong in the drive?
They belong here?
Damn, this thing is clean.
Yo, look at this. It had a whole sound system in it, huh? Look at that. Ah. Oh, they just bought a part. Tail lamp socket. That means their tail lights weren't working. If you guys want to know how to fix it the right way, check out my previous video. Kind of hard to see, but the plastic is warped right there. So we're going to take the diff cover off so we can take off the bolt. Might have to take off the drive shaft so we can spin it. These should be 13 mil. Yes, sir. So this video was recorded in 3 different days, so that's why it's all out of whack. At the junkyard, we took the bolt that holds the crosspin in because on my Jeep, that bolt was broken. I didn't record myself taking it out just because it was a pain to remove and it's hard to record a video and do the thing that you're doing. So I ended up taking it out. We drilled it out, and then like with the pick, we were like turning it. It was crazy. But we did get it out. And we also changed the springs without removing any part of the locker. You could just change it in there. So that's what we did. And now we're just gonna put everything back together. So I didn't record the process, but this is what we ended up changing. The pins and springs. We compared the new springs to these, and these seemed like didn't have enough tensions. The new ones were longer than these, so I think that might be our issue. Hopefully it is. All right, so I didn't keep you guys updated, but if the bolt broke in this piece here, we went to the junkyard and we actually got a new one right here. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that in there. I'm gonna check the pin first though. But the way we took it out, let me go ahead and show you. First we used one of these. On the website it says it works for a Dana 44 HD, but it does not. The bolts are too big, they won't go in there. So we kind of held the bolt in place, drilled a hole through it, and then we were able to like spin it out with the pick. Yeah, so that's how we got it out. All right, so we got the bolt in, good to go. Now we're just gonna clean the edge on both pieces here, and we can install a new gasket. All right, so everything is back together. We're gonna put some oil in and knock on Jeep. So everything's put back together. We're gonna go ahead and drive it, and hopefully it doesn't make any noises, right, Chris? Knock on Jeep, yeah, knock on Jeep. All right, let's see. Oh, no, made a noise. Still making a noise. Oh, maybe I had to get oil through the gears, right? Oh, nah, it's still making a noise. All right, so it's something else. Let's go around the block though. Maybe not, huh? Well, still making the freaking noise, so. And it's coming from the left side, but I don't know what it could be. We believe it's something inside the axle that we didn't see. We didn't see any metal shaving, something like that. So I don't know. I think we just have to take it apart again or something.
Leave it down in the comments if you know what it is.
Anyways, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.